Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be exploring the exciting world of AI tools and how they can benefit beginners like you. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Natural Language Processing, NLP, Tools. NLP tools analyze human language and can be used for sentiment analysis, language translation, and chatbots. For beginners, sentiment analysis can be a great place to start. Step 2. Image Recognition Tools. Image recognition tools enable computers to understand and analyze images. As a beginner, you can use image classification tools to identify objects and animals in images. Step 3. Data Analytics Tools. Data analytics tools help in analyzing and interpreting large amounts of data. As a beginner, you can use data analytics tools to discover insights from datasets related to your field of interest. Step 4. Automated Machine Learning, AutoML, Tools. AutoML tools automate the process of machine learning model development. As a beginner, you can leverage AutoML tools to build and deploy machine learning models without extensive coding knowledge. Step 5. Virtual Assistants and Chatbots. Virtual assistants and chatbots use natural language processing to interact with users. As a beginner, you can try building a simple chatbot to understand their functionalities. And there you have it. 5 practical steps towards using AI tools for beginners. AI is transforming various industries, and its potential is limitless. So, start exploring AI tools today.